Asian Half Marathon Dubai 2023. In the association with the Asian Athletic Association and under the umbrella of the UAE Athletics Federation, the Asian Half Marathon will be hosted in Dubai, attraction international and local athletes to participate in the race. Event date 11th November 2023. Event time 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Countries participating more than 50 countries. Event details. Pre-event registration. Registrations are to start 2 months before the event. Kit collection. A dedicated counter will be available for collection 2 to 3 weeks prior to the event. Arrival and registration participants. All participants are required to park their vehicles in the designated area adjacent to the starting line. Subsequently, they are expected to proceed to the registration desk for check-in. Following registration, participants will be directed to the bag drop-off area and finally to the designated holding area. The marathon. There will be three categories for the run: 21 km, 5 km, 1 mile. All categories will be open to both males and females across various age groups, including special categories for the winners. Event identity. A logo has been designed for the event symbolically representing the UAE sports through an abstract shape. This design draws inspiration from the colors of the UAE flag, with an athletic figure running beneath the umbrella of the UAE. The press conference was attended by His Excellency Major General Muhammad Abdullah Al Mur, President of the Federation, Fahad Abdullah, Secretary General of the Federation, Ali Umar, Director of Events at the Dubai Sports Council, Adil Darwish, Assistant Secretary General of the UAE Athletics Federation, Rabia Ashraf, with the cameraman at the reporting team, Emiraat News, Dubai.
It will be in November 11. I hope many countries coming and will be in this marathon. We are happy to host this first big championship in athletics in United Arab Emirates. We are here to focus about federation activation last 2 years and what our plan in the future. In pipeline, already inshallah we will host a big Asia Championship, two championships. First one it will be in November next month, 11 November. It is half Asia half marathon. We hope all countries Asia it will be in this marathon. 45 countries. We think between 25 to 35 countries it will be in this marathon.
Asia Half Marathon will be organized for the first time in the welcome country and hospitality country, which is known to everybody. The United Arab Emirates will be hosting this event on 11th of November 2023 in Dubai. Our focus will be to show the hospitality of Dubai to the Asia family. So I would like to say welcome Asia to Dubai. And during this event, more than 25 to 30 countries will be participating, and they will be coming. We hope that the number of overall players and athletes who will be participating, including the social and part, they will reach to the historical number and figure which will be organized during in the memory and history of Asia athletics. We would like to organize this half a marathon as one of the success sport event hosted by the United Arab Emirates and Dubai. It will be organized by the Asia Association Athletics. Could not be happen without everybody participating.